Hey friends, how are you all doing? So today I am going to show you how you can download apps on your Android phone without using the Google Play Store. Yes, it's very easy. You just need to follow me step by step. Before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tag and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notification for all upcoming videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open Google Chrome on your phone. After that, search for Chrome Web Store. Once the website appears, tap on it. Now on the top right side, tap on the three-dot menu and enable desktop site because this website works properly only in desktop mode. After switching a desktop view, you will see a search bar. In this search bar, type AHA music. As you can see, the app appears in the result. Tap on it and here you can also see its 4.3 rating. At the top, you might notice a message saying currently unavailable or showing some issues. When I tap on view guide, it shows a few problems, which is why I am unable to install this app right now. But don't worry, you would not face this issue. You can easily use this website to download apps without Google Play Store and take full advantage of it. So this is how you can download Android apps without using Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, stay connected with Sonic Tag for more useful tag tutorials. Thanks for watching.